Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just realized that a lot of people don't know or understand the way to exfoliate their skin. That's why I'm here today to show you the proper way to exfoliate your skin when you're using your sugar body scrub, your apricot body scrub, or your salt body scrub. I'll be teaching you with this Hair Build Tamarind body scrub. Okay, it's a salt body scrub. It's a lightening body scrub. I just want to give you a demo on how to properly exfoliate your skin. Okay, so I'll be using this sponge to cleanse my body, and then I'll be going in with this soap to also cleanse my body. Okay, so first of all, you need to clean your body first. Take your bath completely. You need to take your bath completely. Don't exfoliate before taking your bath. No, you need to take your bath first. Cleanse your skin. Cleanse your skin properly with your soap, sponge, and water before going in to exfoliate. So let me just show you quickly. Okay, normally I wet the sponge. You know, I can't show you this in the bathroom. I can't possibly show you when I'm taking my bath, so I just want to give you a demo. So you wet your skin, you also use your sponge, then you scrub. Okay, you scrub. I just wash my skin and let the soap sit on my skin for like 1 to 2 minutes. Some people, after cleaning their skin, they just go in directly with their body scrub on top of the soap ladder and start scrubbing their skin. No, that's not how I do it. I first of all cleanse my body completely. So I'm going to rinse this off. After that, I'm not going to dry it. I'm just going to leave it wet the way you're seeing it right now. But let me open this. So then I'm going to use the body scrub. This one actually is a salt scrub. I just massage it. This is the way I do it. Okay, I make sure I go into the areas that are kind of darker than my normal skin, just like this, my elbow right here. Normally we know that most times our elbows are a lot darker than our skin, so I go into my elbow, I scrub it a lot harder. My knee, I concentrate more, especially around my elbow, my knee, my knuckles as well. I tend to scrub more and more. Okay, and sometimes when I want to make it a little bit intense, I go in with my sponge. Okay, just this way I go in with my sponge and just scrub all over my skin. I scrub my skin completely. Okay, I do this for like 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, then I rinse off and just pat dry my skin. So when you're done with that, you just go in, apply your skincare products. Okay, just right now, see, my skin just feels so smooth. Okay, it makes your skin feel smooth and silky. Okay, when you start using it, you get to understand what I am saying. You get to see the difference. Okay, yes, this is just the way it is. This is the proper way if you want to get this kind of results that I'm getting, that I'm enjoying right now. Okay, if you just want that your skincare product that you spend a lot of money on, for it to work, okay, this is the proper way to exfoliate. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this point, please do. Okay, subscribe to my channel right now. Okay, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.